Show me.
Take you away. Take you.
Show me what Spider-Man does.
Yeah. Take you away.
That's what Spider-Man does?
Yeah. Don't take me. And my back hurt. Yeah, I gotta take you away, Dad. Take me away, Dad.
Spider, show me the spider webs.
Take her away, Dad.
Show me the spider webs.
Leo, are you happy?
No, I'm not happy
Why?
because I'm very mad.
Look at me. Tell me that. You are very what?
Mad!
Why are you so mad?
Because I'm Spider-Man.
But Spider-Man is a happy boy, man,
No.
Spider-Man.
He's
He's a very nice
a
superhero.
yeah, he's very nice for me.
And he's happy.
He's very happy.
Yes.
Superhero? Who's superhero?
You know, Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, and Thor. Those are all superheroes. Flash, Green Lantern. Oh, Mommy knows so many names.
I'm scared. Take it away, Dad. Yeah.
I'm not the enemy.
Drink this one. Yeah. One drink.
You had too much sugar today. It's going to bother your stomach.
That's gonna bother his stomach. All that protein. Leonardo.
Look at Spider-Man.
I'm gonna say this tantrum. That is the best.
Spider-Man.
When you are 10, 15, and 18 years old, I'm gonna show you this video. Here, mi amor. Here, mi amor. Let's go to sleep. Let's go to sleep.